so much for click this video, and welcome to my channel Akisa Sewing Room, and still with me Retno Yuniarti. Today I'm going to show you another bracelet. This is the old version that I just made about a week ago, and this is the new version bracelet that I just made today. So the difference from this bracelet and the old one is on the back like this. I make for card. This is a window, clear window for to store my card, just like that, just like this. And then the zipper compartment, this is wide enough. Actually, I can put my hand sanitizer inside here also, and also I can put my mask here also inside this zipper compartment like this. But this is going to be look bulky, so I will not recommend it. So this I can use for my mask compartment, or I can use it also for my wallet. This is for my money or my card. Okay, and the compartment, the main compartment, is the same with the old version, like this. This is wide enough, but I'm not adding any slot card or a zipper insert pocket. Just want to make it so simple. So I can place my mask here and my hand sanitizer, and I can zip it up like this, or I can change into the big one. Let's see. Yeah, it's fit enough. This is also fit. So this is the new version of my new bracelet. I hope this could be your inspiration. Once again, I just want to tell you, when you working with a kind of hard material or weight material, do not use regular thread or thread for making clothes. It's not going to work. Just like this. This is a rip off. I'm doing this because I'm too lazy to change my thread when I'm making masks, and I'm too lazy to change into a nylon thread. So make sure you use the right thread for making your handbag. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum.